Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making Blackberry Cobbler. This is a quick and easy recipe and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Start with a baking pan. You're going to want to spray that with cooking spray, and to it 1 stick of butter or margarine that's been melted. What you're going to do is leave that butter in the bottom because your other ingredients are going to get poured on top. In your mixing bowl, you're going to want to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, and 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Once you get this into the bowl, you want to mix it up so that way all of your baking powder mixes through with the other ingredients. Now once you get it mixed through, you're going to want to add your 3/4 cup of milk and mix this through. Right about this time you want to preheat your oven to 350 to 360 degrees, somewhere depending on how hot your oven gets. So make sure when you're stirring this up that you mix the milk through all the ingredients and scrape the bottom and sides to get all of the dry powder off. Now once you've done this, you're going to want to pour this over the butter in your dish you're baking in. And just go ahead and work your way from side to side down to the length of the whole thing, because this is actually going to bake up to make the breading that's going to go around your blackberries. And that seems kind of weird having the butter floating all over the place, but it will incorporate to make your cobbler. Now once you've got that completely in, you're going to put your blackberries in. I do it a couple or maybe one at a time, whatever, to get it to a point to where I distribute them throughout the whole thing and they're not all clumped together in one corner. For the blackberries I'm using, you can use 3/4 of a cup to a cup. It depends on how many you want in it. With mine, I used about 3/4 of a cup and it was plenty, but if you really like blackberries, you can add more. Just make sure as you're putting them in, you distribute them all the way around the whole pan. So that way they're not all going to cook up and you have a lot on one side, not so much on the other. Now the blackberries that I got, I bought from the store in a fresh package. I didn't pick them, but once you cook it, it's going to end up looking like this, whether you pick them or you bought them in a store, and it looks. So anyway, you're going to cook this for about 30 to 35 minutes and then you have the end result. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.